Hello friends, this is Dr. Viral Kumar Shilu and welcoming you all people warmly in my channel named Viral Shilu. Work from home is a new normal for most of us in this period of lockdown. And even it is believed once the lockdown would be just lifted, even the same concept of work from home would be continued with us in one way or other. And in today's video, I just asked my friends and family members to just express their opinion about the work from home. What does it take to be just working from home? What are the pros and cons of working from home in this period where all of us are just required to be just staying inside our four walls? So let's enjoy their opinions about the topic called work from home.
Hello everyone, this is Professor Kosha Oza, working as an assistant professor in Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Management and IT, Porbandar. First of all, I would like to thank respected Professor Viral Kumar Shilu for inviting me in his YouTube channel. Today, I am going to share my views on work from home concept. Work from home concept encompasses huge spectrum of employees and employers from various fields such as teaching, technology, architecture, design, health and medical services, public and private sector services, engineering, etc. across the nation. Every single individual employee and employer working from home is eventually not only helping in boosting up the economy of his or her organization, but he equally contributes in strengthening the economic growth of the country. Organizations and institutions remain closed for certain period of time due to absolute lockdown situation, but work does not stop. Hence, work from home is economically sound, systematic and satisfactory experience that intensifies employer-employee relationship, which ultimately leads for economic growth of the country. Thank you.
Work from home. As the name suggests, it simply means that a person can work from his own house without stepping out. Work from home culture was not so popular before this COVID-19 outbreak, but now we all are very familiar with this term work from home. Right now, I'm working full-time from home, so here are some few things that I want to share about working from home. When we are working from home, it is very important to be productive. The one thing we can do is to be honest to our work.
Today's trending topic, work from home. So today we will discuss about work from home. First, we will see the benefits of it. So in recent time, work from home is very useful in social distancing.
Work from home also saves lot of time, money and energy of an individual employee, and thus country as a whole we can save so much resources.
Yeah, and we can give more time to our family members while working from home.
During the current lockdown period, the many essential services like telecommunication service, broadband service and many essential services are being provided uninterrupted to all of us only due to the employees working from home.
Working from home is a quite good option for working women, especially when you are living in a metro city and the distance from your home to your workplace is a way far. Then working from home can save your time and you can utilize that time. It is a plus point for women as well as men also.
While working from home, we are more independent because we have to rely on self-discipline, self-independence, etc.
It is also said that while working from home, the productivity of an employee also increases.
While working from home, we are more communication expert as we have to work by emailing, web meetings. So we are more communicative, and by that we will become a techno-savvy person.
One survey on work from home suggested that most of the people are not ready to learn new things and they are very lazy about it. Yes, that happens, but we can take care of it. After all, it's all about our self-growth. So, work from home is a not bad option if we are taking enough time for our work, for our efficiency, for our task. So, we can give it a try in future also. There is nothing wrong in work from home.
Now we will discuss demerits of working from home. The one and the foremost demerit of working from home is missing the office environment at home while working from home.
And we might not get full technology access while working from home.
Yes, true. And there are so many distractions available at home while working from home. And it is also becoming difficult for us to restrict our working schedule while working from home.
And yes, we will also miss that chit chats with colleagues, and we will miss that brainstorming sessions that are running at our office.
Hey all, this is Professor Sumit Kumar Acharya. I am very much thankful to Professor Dr. Viral Kumar Shilu for allowing me to share my view on the concept of work from home on his YouTube channel. As the word suggests, work from home means working from your home only. What the usual pattern is, an employee goes to the office or his workplace. During the day, he completes the tasks assigned to him and comes back to the home. That is what the usual pattern is. The ultimate object is to getting work done. Isn't that possible that an employee brings all those work to the home and completes it and gives back to the employer? Now that concept gives the birth of work from home world. There are two angles to say to it. First, from the angle of the employer. Employer has just one thing, that his work must be done. That's it. Whether the employee is doing the work at office or he is doing the work at his home, that doesn't matter. In work from home concept, employee does all the work from his home and ultimately the work is done. So there is first benefit to the employer that his work is done. Second, the employer saves a lot of cost. Looking at the cost angle, the electricity bill has been saved because the office is not to be offered. He saves other variable costs as well. So employer gets the benefit by getting the work done and saving the cost. Second, from the viewpoint of employee. Now, every morning employee has to get up, rush for the office, and during the day need to complete the work coming back to home. That requires a lot of transportation costs that he need to bear, a lot of time he has to spend. But rather than doing that, bringing the work at home, he saves all this cost and gets the work done. First benefit to him. Second, he can have good work-life balance. Yes, apart from working on the professional assignments, he can spare some time to the family. That gives the benefit of work-life balance also. So all in all, from both the angles, if you see, it's a win-win situation. So in the situation like shutdown everywhere, one cannot go out of the home and economy is suffering because of work loss. Work from home concept can work very efficiently. Yes, in few of the cases it may not be possible, it may not be applicable 100% to the education sector where I belong to, because personal attachment is very essential in education field. Yes, online videos are available, online tutorials are available, but maybe students are not much handy with that. But yes, where there are a lot of sectors where work from home is practically possible, that should be applied.